Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Gerber oatmeal cereal. Start by measuring 1 to 2 tablespoons of cereal per feeding and warm 2 to 4 tablespoons of liquid. Stir briskly until smooth, ensuring no lumps remain. Test a small amount on your wrist to check temperature. Offer a small spoonful first, then adjust thickness and portion size based on your baby's cues and feeding readiness. For smooth texture, warm the liquid slightly and pour it into the cereal gradually while stirring. Use a small whisk or fork and mix until the cereal reaches a creamy, lump-free consistency. If the mixture becomes too thin, add 1 teaspoon of cereal and stir again. If it's too thick, add a little more liquid until you reach a spoonable texture your baby can manage comfortably during feeding. Always check the cereal temperature before feeding by applying a small drop to your wrist. Use a soft baby spoon and offer small amounts, watching for coughing or allergic signs. Keep feeding areas clean and prepare each portion fresh. Discard any cereal left at room temperature after 2 hours. If introducing new ingredients like fruit, add one at a time and wait a few days to monitor for reactions or.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.